Chasers in the building. Appreciate y'all for pulling up today, family. This is your sign to get your CCNA. Today we're going to be having a 6-question. Question number 6. Deny HTTP traffic from 172.16.2.0/24 going towards 172.16.1.100/32 using a numbered access list. Just write that to be short. So for the first thing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down the packet chaser chart. I'm going to write some information off of the packet chaser chart, which this is why we trying to memorize this, family. So I'm going to write this down real quick. ALE, which is for access list extended. With all of this information going on, it seems to be an extended type of an access list. So for access list extended, we're going to type access-list, right? And then ALE is going to be the number, right? And then permit or deny, and then the protocol, and then source or destination, and the port, right? So with this information, we're going to create an access list for this what's going on right here. So the first thing we're going to do is, let me see, at the config line, right? At the config line, right? Boom. We're going to type in, that one kind of out of juice. We're going to type access-list, and then 101, because anything over 100, we know to be an extended access list. And so what it says it want to do, deny. So we're going to type deny traffic from this particular IP address. You get me? So HTTP, which falls under TCP. That's why this is something you got to know. This is something you kind of got to know. So deny TCP from 172.16.2.0, 172.16.2.0, and then for access list, you have to use a wildcard mask, right? So the mask for this is going to be 0.0.0.255, meaning you want it to match up, since it's a stroke 24, right? You want it to match up on everything in the 2.0 subnet range, right? Boom. Protocol, deny, protocols TCP, source, because it's from meaning source. So that's source. And then next is port, right? So there we got it. Protocol TCP. Okay, cool. So deny access is a deny TCP. Host. Now the second part. Host 172.16.1.100, right? And equals www, right? Which is HTTP towards 172 using a HTTP traffic is going to be denied. So we used our packet chaser chart right here. That's why it's important to help us figure this problem out, family, right? So on the packet chaser chart, ALE-access-list, access list number, permit or deny, protocol, source destination, port. You're going to be able to figure out most of these type of questions if you memorize this nomenclature, right? I appreciate all of you for coming through today. To all my packet chasers, family. Packet chasers in the building. And remember, you must study every day in order to get your CCNA.